Good morning to everybody. So yesterday I asked you to solve some questions based on the rational number. I hope everyone you did. Okay, today we will start exercise 9.1. List out 5 rational numbers between minus 1 and 0. So do you think minus 1 is a rational number? Yes, minus 1 is a rational number because every integer is a rational, but converse part is not true. But every rational number is not an integer. 0 is also a rational number because you can express in the form of p by q, that is 0 can be written as 0 by 1. Minus 1 is also you can be written as minus 1 by 1 you can write. 0 is also you can write as 0 by 1. Now how many rational numbers we are going to find between these two rational number? 5 rational number. So n equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. So what are you going to do? You are going to multiply by 6 in both numerator and denominator. That means minus 1 by 1 can be written as minus 1 into 6 by 1 into 6. Then it is minus 6 by 6. Minus 6 by 6 is nothing but minus 1. Minus 6 by 6 is nothing but minus 1. Then 0 by 1. Multiply by 6. 0 into 6 is what? 0. 1 into 6 is what? 6. Now we are getting 5 integers between minus 6 and 5. That means, tell me, minus 5 by 6, minus 4 by 6, minus 5 is an integer which is less than minus 6. Minus 4 which is less than minus 5. Minus 3 by 6, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6. Now we found 5 rational numbers between minus 6 by 6 and 0 by 6. Minus 6 by 6 is nothing but minus 1. 0 by 6 is nothing but 0. Are you getting here? Yes. So already we know that how many number of rational numbers we can find between any two rational number? Yes, we can find infinite number of rational number. We can find infinite number of rational number between any two rational number. Between any two rational number. Right? What is the definition of rational number? A number which can be expressed in the form of p by q. A number which can be expressed in the form of p by q where q not equal to 0, both p and q are integers and q should not be equal to 0 and q should not be equal to 0. Shall we move to the next part? Yes. Look at the second subdivision, the first question only. That means minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. How many rational numbers we are going to find? 5 rational number. Okay. So n equal to 5 plus 1. That is 6. So you can multiply by 6 in both numerator and denominator. So every number can be written as a fraction. So minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. And then write down the equivalent fraction. Multiply by 6. Then it will be minus 12 by 6. Minus 12 by 6 is nothing but minus 2 only. Are you getting there? Yes. Then minus 1. Minus 1 means minus 1 into 6 by 1 into 6, which is equal to minus 6 by 6. Now, just to check once, in between this minus 12 and minus 6, are you getting 5? We need 5, am I right? So minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7 we are getting. Am I right? So 5 rational numbers between minus 2 and minus 1 are, what are they? Minus 11 by 6, minus 10 by 6, minus 9 by 6, minus 8 by 6 and minus 7 by 6. Are you getting there? Yes. Now, shall we move to the next part? What is the next part for you? Find 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. Minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3. These two fractions are not a like fraction, first of all. Am I right? Here because we are having the different denominator. So these two fractions are not a like fraction. First you have to make the given fraction as a like fraction. Are you getting here? Yes. Now what is LCM of 5 and 3? LCM of 5 and 3 is 15. So here minus 4 by 5 into 3 into 3. Minus 12 by 15. Then minus 2 by 3. Multiplied by 5 minus 10 by 15. Am I right? Now we got the like fraction, that is minus 12 by 15 and minus 10 by 15 are two like fractions. Now suppose if you are getting that 5 rational numbers between these two, so we can write. Are you getting minus 12 between minus 12 and minus 10? How many rational numbers are there? There is only one rational number, that is infinite number of rational numbers are there. But with the denominator 15, we are having only minus 11 by 15. Minus 11 by 15. So, what you can do? Again, you have to multiply by either 5. How many rational numbers we are going to find? 5. So, better multiply by 6 here. So, minus 12 by 15 equal to minus 12 into 6 by 15 into 6. Then it will be minus 72 by 90. Another one is minus 10 by 15. That can be written as minus 10 into 6 by 15 into 6. That is equal to minus 60 by 90. Now we are getting more than 5 rational numbers between this minus 72 and minus 60. So we can write now. Now, therefore, 5 rational numbers between 5 rational numbers between minus 4 by 5 and minus 2 by 3 are minus 71 by 90, minus 70 by 90, minus 69 by 70, minus 68 by 70, 90, minus 67 by 90. So you can write more, correct? Till 59 you can write. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? The next part is find 5 rational number between minus 1 by 2 and plus 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 and plus 2 by 3. How many rational numbers? We are going to find 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Now these two fractions are not a like fraction. So first you have to convert the unlike fraction into like fraction by taking LCM. What is LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3 is what? 6 here. So minus 1 by 2 can be written as minus 1 by 2 into 3 into 3. That means minus 3 by 6, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then again 2 by 3. What will you do? Multiply by 2 in both numerator and denominator. You will get like 4 by 6. I hope you will get 5 integers between this minus 3 and 4. That is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Right? We are getting 4. So therefore, if you are not getting enough rational numbers between these two rational numbers, you have to multiply by any non-zero constant in both numerator and denominator. So 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3 are, intermediate, minus 2 by 6, minus 1 by 6, 0 by 6, that means 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6 and 3 by 6. Am I right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rational numbers we got between these two rational numbers minus 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Please remember, how many rational numbers are there between any two rational number? Infinite number of rational numbers are there between any two rational number. Are you getting there? Yes. In the next video, we will solve the question number 2. Thank you everybody. Thank you.